This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious normal omelet at home. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients and essential tools. You will need 2 or 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Also, have your favorite fillings ready, like cheese or herbs. A non-stick pan, about 8 inches in diameter, is crucial for a perfect omelet. Now, let's prepare our eggs and pan. Crack your 2 or 3 eggs into a bowl and whisk them vigorously for about 30 seconds until the yolks and whites are completely combined. Next, place your 8-inch non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Swirl the pan to ensure the butter evenly coats the entire bottom and sides. It's time to cook. Pour the whisked eggs into your hot, buttered pan, making sure they form an even layer. Let the eggs cook undisturbed for about 30 seconds. You'll notice the edges starting to set. Now, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center with a spatula, tilting the pan to allow the uncooked egg to flow underneath and fill any gaps. Almost done. When the top of the omelet is mostly set but still looks slightly moist, it's time for your fillings. Sprinkle your cheese, herbs, or vegetables over 1/2 of the omelet. Now, carefully use your spatula to fold the omelet in half, creating a beautiful crescent shape. Cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, then slide it onto a plate and serve immediately. Enjoy your perfect homemade omelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.